Hey everyone, what's up and welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be removing my mannequin's hair color using blank canvas from Pulp Riot. This mannequin has the best quality hair I've ever seen, and I am obsessed with doing color techniques on her. If you want to grab a mannequin like this for yourself, check out the link in the description box below. Bianca's been wearing this hair color for a few weeks now and I'm ready to switch it up. So I'm going to be using blank canvas from Pulp Riot to remove the semi-permanent colors off of her hair and give us a nice blank canvas. For my first bowl, I'm going to mix 20 grams of the blank canvas powder to 60 grams of 6 volume and add in Olaplex number 1 to preserve the strength of Bianca's hair. After I finish my first bowl of product, I'm going to use another 20 grams of the blank canvas powder, but this time only use 40 grams of 6 volume. That will make the product work a little bit faster because it's not so diluted with developer. Once your color is mixed, you're going to apply it just like you would an all-over color application. I like to start in the back and work my way up the two different sides. Blank canvas is such a magic miracle product because you can see it removing the color right before your eyes in a matter of minutes. Aside from how well it works, blank canvas is one of my favorite tools to have in my arsenal because of how awesome it feels on the hair. Blank canvas has ingredients that preserve moisture and protects the hair, like quinoa, sorbitol, argan oil, and aloe vera oil, and it is magical. Once you finish up your application, blank canvas can sit at room temperature for up to 30 minutes, but I usually check on it about every 5 minutes because it doesn't take very long to remove the color, and once you see the colors removed, you're good to shampoo. I'm going to give Bianca a nice shampoo with Olaplex number 4, and then finish up with Olaplex number 5, which is Olaplex's conditioner. From there, we're just going to blow out and flat iron style like normal. And here she is, back to her glorious icy whiteness. I am so obsessed with blank canvas for obvious reasons. And aside from just what you can see, her hair feels freaking amazing. It doesn't feel damaged or dry at all, which I love. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to give me a thumbs up, share it with your friends, and subscribe to the channel to see what we do on Bianca's hair next. Also, if you try blank canvas on yourself or any clients or mannequins, tag me in photos so I can see what you did. Thanks so much for watching, guys, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye!